Is Wix the right website builder for me? So a lot of people here on my channel asked me this question, and therefore I made this video today to answer it once and for all. First off, why I can say something about this topic. I have built my own website here, julianweber.com, with Wix. This was over 6 years ago, so I have been using Wix for quite some time now. And I've also made over 182 tutorials on Wix here on my channel. So it's fair to say that I know a little bit about Wix. And let's start with the question, who's Wix for? Wix is perfect for small and medium-sized businesses because it has a lot of different templates for that. But you can also build your own online shop with Wix, or you can even build a website within 1 or 2 days for your private hobby or for your tennis club, for example. So Wix is really a great software for most businesses who want to build a website fast and without technical overload. And the best part about Wix, you can actually start for free. Therefore, you will find the link to Wix down here in the video description. It's a partner link, so at the same time you're supporting me and my channel. So thank you a lot if you use it. And when you click on it, you will land on this page, and here you can just sign up for free. And once you've done this, you will land on this page, and here you can start chatting with the AI. This is actually a new cool feature from Wix. The AI will help you to set up your website project, and it will also pre-install all the functionality you will need. So feel free to go ahead and do this. Just click on the link down in the video description, sign up, and then you can chat a little bit with the AI. And once you have done this, you will land in the dashboard of Wix. And here you will see a short to-do list. For example, you can connect your custom domain, or you can search for a domain and buy it via Wix. You can also see the analytics here, so how many people have been on your site. You will see your sales revenue here, and you can also answer your messages. So whenever people contact you via your page, you can directly answer the messages within Wix. And this is the area only you as the admin of the page will see. But now let's check out the design templates, because this is the part your visitor or your customer will see from your website. Therefore, just click on Design Site, and it will bring you to this page. And here you can either generate a design with the AI. I think it's still not perfect, so I wouldn't choose this option. I'm more a fan of the design templates from Wix, because there are over 800 different design templates you can choose from, and you will find a design template for pretty much every purpose. So first off, you can just type in whatever you're searching for example, therapist, and it will give you plenty of different templates for therapist websites. I can also type in tennis. Maybe we'll find a template for our tennis club. And as you can see, we not only find one template, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different templates for tennis clubs. So this is the power of Wix. There are over 800 different templates you can choose from. You can also go to industry here and maybe choose business, and then it will show you all the business templates, also for coaching and professionals, law firms here, and enterprise solutions. So feel free to go ahead and browse through the categories, and please take your time, because you want the template as close to your ideal website as possible, because then you don't need to change much. And I will check out the template which I usually use for tutorials. Therefore, I type in portfolio, and it will give me different portfolio websites. And here it is. I'm a big fan of this one. And once you find your template, you can just click on view and take a look. And the best part about the templates, they are all included, and you can always go back and choose a different template. But once you start, you probably want to stick with the template, because otherwise you need to do all the changes again. Therefore, take your time and just check out the template. You can see all the pages up here. You can just click through and see if you like the colors of the template and the basic look and feel. And they're all also mobile optimized. This is another good part of Wix, because 70% of the traffic is nowadays from mobile, and therefore their templates are of course mobile optimized. And I'm happy with this template. Then I can just go ahead and click edit site, and it will bring me directly to the editor of Wix. And here I will show you some pros and some cons of the editor. So let's go ahead and check out the next step. And once you have chosen your template, then you will land on this page, and here another AI is saying hello, and this is the content AI, and it will help you to create some text for your website. Therefore, just type in your prompt, and then the AI will fill your website with content for you. So this is another pro from Wix. AI is really integrated already in the website builder. I do like that, because it saves us a lot of time. But for now, this shouldn't be a tutorial. Therefore, I just want to close it, and I want to show you the pros and cons of the editor. And Wix has a true what you see is what you get editor. What that means, you can really take every element on the website and drag it around and place it wherever you want. So you can just drag this up here and the sub headline also, and you can just type it in and, for example, hey, I'm Julian Weber, and make it your own. And here you have different text settings as you will find them in Word or PowerPoint, so I don't really need to talk much about it, but it will give you a lot of design freedom compared to other website builders which are more rudimentary. They don't have this feature that you can really drag every element everywhere. So I can, for example, place this here if I want. Doesn't make any sense now, but I would have the freedom to do this. And this is the true power of the website builder of Wix, because it really is pixel perfect and you can just be as creative as you want. And you can also upload your own images very fast. So you can just click here, change background, and then you can upload your own image. Or Wix also has its own database of free stock photos which you can choose from. So if you open up a coffee place, for example, and you don't have any pictures of any coffee, then you can just choose this picture and upload it for free from Wix because it's their own stock photo database. I think this is pretty cool because when you're starting out as a business, you might not have all the pictures ready yet. But as said, you can just upload your own pictures if you have them. Then you can just click here, upload from your computer, and then Wix will upload your picture. This picture is already really small, just 128 kilobytes. But if the picture is big, Wix is also doing the optimization for you, which is quite nice because as, for example, a photographer, Wix will go ahead and optimize the picture for you. So this is quite nice. And now this website already looks like my own website. There you can see how easy it is to make changes to Wix. The website builder is really beginner friendly. You can just select every element, just click on edit text, and then dive in and make changes to your website. This is what I really like about Wix. It also looks very clean. So as you can see, this is a perfect looking website. You can also upload your own videos here, your contact information, and you can easily add as many pages as you like. So you can just click on page and menus here. And now this is the home page and some links to the section of the home page, but you can just go ahead and add a new page. For example, if we want to have a contact page, then we can just go ahead and choose a template for the contact page here. We can preview it, and here you can also have the map view here. So this looks quite professional, and Wix has a lot of different templates for different pages, and it doesn't have a limit on the pages. So we can add as many pages as we like on the free plan, which I think it's perfect because many other website builders don't allow this. And here on Wix, you can just go ahead and add as many pages. And this is very different from other website builders. I promise you, most website builders will just let you add up to 5 pages, not more. But now, before I tell you the cons of Wix, I want to show you the best part about Wix first. And the best part for me, and why I decided to build my own website here, julianweber.com with Wix, is the Wix App Market. And you can find this here. This is the Wix App Market, and Wix develops over, let me check, I think 25 different apps for you as a solopreneur or small and medium-sized business, which makes sense for you to use. For example, here you have Wix stores. So with one click of a button, you can extend the functionality of your website to an online store and add e-commerce functionalities. You can sell your physical products, you can sell your online products like ebooks or coaching programs, and it can be all done with this app. And you can also add, for example, Wix Chat, and it's also free to install. And as you can check out on my own website, you can just click here and say hi to me, and then I can answer this person from my mobile phone or with inside the Wix dashboard, what you've seen before. So let's go back. This is Wix Chat, but you can also have Wix online programs. For example, if you want to sell your own online course, and you can have your own member area so people can sign up and pay you a monthly fee to be a member of your community. And most importantly, I think for businesses, you have Wix bookings. So for example, if you are a therapist, you can add Wix bookings and sell your appointments ahead of time. So when people don't show up, you don't lose money because you charge them up front. And they can pay with Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal, or pretty much every other online payment method there is. And Wix didn't stop there. You can also have Wix blog, so you don't need WordPress. So you can publish your own blog posts here. You have Wix event tickets, and you have Wix Music where you can sell your own music, for example, and you have Wix Restaurants or Wix Hotels, so you can accept reservations there. So I think this is perfect, and all the apps are free to install, but for some apps you of course need to upgrade in order to use them. And now a lot of people ask me, when is the time to upgrade? So what can I do for free with Wix, and when do I need to purchase a plan? You can even publish this page here and you don't have to upgrade there. So I do like this, that Wix will give you a live website and you can share even the link with your family or your coworkers. So you can change this part of the URL. You can't change this part, and you can also change this part. So there will always be the wixsite.com inside your dummy domain here, but the website is live and you can share the link with anyone and everyone can access this page from anywhere. So I think this is pretty cool that this is still possible on the free version. The only downside is that it will have a banner here saying this website was built on Wix, create yours today. But yeah, this website is live now and you can share the link, but when you want to get rid of the banner and when you want to connect your own domain, then of course it's time to upgrade. So therefore you would need to go ahead and complete your own setup here, or you just click on upgrade and therefore compare the plans. And at this point, a little tip, I do see save 50% of the premium plans here, and you usually see this when you sign up and you see this the first 3 days. Sometimes it stays there for longer if they have any promotion going on, but I usually see it when I sign up and then it's valid for the first 3 days. And to increase the likelihood that you see this, make sure that you click on my link here down in the video description, because it's a partner link and it's kind of likely that they promote their offer via the partners, and then you can see the 50% off. And of course, it's not guaranteed. From time to time they change it, but when I look back, I most often see this for the first 3 days after sign up, and sometimes they even send you out emails. And when you upgrade, a lot of people also ask me, what premium plan should I choose? You can pretty much forget about these because they are more advanced and you can always upgrade later. For now, you just want to focus on the light plan or on the core plan. And the main difference here, on the light plan, you only get 2 GB of storage. So when you upload a lot of big pictures, then it can be quite limiting, the 2 GB of storage. Then you would need to upgrade to the 50 GB storage. But with both, you get a free domain, which I think is pretty cool for the first year. And the only main reason why you want to upgrade to the core plan is when you want to accept payments and have basic e-commerce functionality. And this is the main difference. So on the core plan, you have the online store for physical products, or you can accept bookings with payments at the same time. So whenever you want to accept payments from your visitors, then you definitely need to upgrade to the core plan. But with a light plan and with all the plans, you get a custom domain. There won't be any Wix branding and you have a 24/7 customer support. And if you want to take a real deep dive into the pricing models, then you can also scroll down and then they explain you a little bit more down here. But as said, the main difference is the gigabyte storage and the e-commerce functionality on the core plan. So by now, if you're convinced by the pros, then you can do this and don't listen to the cons, which I'm about to tell you right now. So therefore, let's go back to the editor. And the thing which I don't like about the Wix editor is that it gives you too much freedom. So I see a lot of beginners doing this and just placing it everywhere, and the website doesn't really make sense in the end. And especially it happens on mobile views. So when you switch to mobile, you can see here, now it looks okay, but most often you need to go in and really make changes to the mobile view that it will also look good on mobile. Here it's okay because it's a standard homepage, but yeah, from my experience, you sometimes need to go in and really make changes to the mobile view, and it can be quite cumbersome because you can move every element freely on the canvas. So, but yeah, this is the true downside for me for Wix, that the editor is giving you so much freedom that it can be quite overwhelming, but you will get your head around this, and of course you only need to do it once, because once the design is done, then your website is all set. And one other downside, which I don't like, when you leave the editor to go back to the admin area and we want to go ahead and get a custom business email, then I click here. and now I would need to purchase a Google Workspace plan. So this I also don't enjoy because my email is contact@julianweber.com and I'm paying like €8 or $8 for it because I need to purchase the Google Workspace. And Wix doesn't really allow you to do this otherwise. So if you want to have a professional email, you need to purchase a Google Workspace inside Wix.com. And yeah, it can be quite frustrating because it limits you and you really have to do this. But yeah, these are the main cons for me for Wix. And before we sum this up, I also want to clarify some myth about Wix because a lot of people say the page speed of Wix is very slow. And therefore I checked it with my own website here, julianweber.com. And for mobile, the performance is okay, but for desktop, it's 1.4 seconds here. So it is very fast. Of course, it can always go faster, but 2.5 seconds or 1.4 seconds is still fast. So in summary, I'm still a big fan of Wix. It will give you a lot of freedom. It will have a lot of different apps which will support your business and you don't need to buy extra services for it. So it will make your life a lot easier. There are only a few downsides, but I'm really enjoying using Wix because I can do so much. I have all my tutorials on my website. I'm selling my own website coaching for Wix here. I have my blog posts here and people can contact me here anytime and it's fairly easy to use and it will grow with your business. And you can do so much, and the cons are really minor. So I'm a big fan of it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave down here a comment, and as said, you can always sign up via my link and support my channel. And if you like the video, also feel free to give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Have fun with Wix now.